And today we are going to be doing some chemistry.
Slime!
Well, we are going to make some Oobleck and we're going to make some elephant toothpaste.
I didn't never know that.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
So these are the objectives today. Is we are going to understand properties. Can you step to the side for me?
Yep.
Thank you so much. So you can see. All right, cool. We are going to understand properties of liquids, that they are different from solids and that they take the shape of their containers, just like this water is taking the shape of this container. And then you guys are going to participate in experiments provided by adults and make some observations about it. You ready? All right, cool. But first, we have to remember our 3 rules.
Be
Curious.
curious.
Like, I wonder. Number 2, be observant. Get on your observation goggles. Look around. Use your smell. Use your sight. Use your ears. To your taste. Sometimes we're not going to use the taste today, okay? And your touch. And number 3, ask questions. Very good. Like who, what, when, where, why, and how. How can that be? All right. So, first, we are going to follow these steps to make some elephant toothpaste. But first, before doing chemistry, what do we got to make sure that we do?
Put our sleeves down.
We got to get our sleeves back, right?
Yeah.
Good. And we got to take off any extra jewelry. Look, I got some jewelry on. Got to take
But
it off.
Mommy made this bracelet for me.
I did. And look, we got to take this and we're going to do what with your hair? You got to tie it back for safety, okay? I'm going to do that because we don't want to get your pretty hair in the chemicals, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so, you good?
Yep.
And we need to put on our
Goggles.
goggles. Let me get this out of the way.
Get out of the way.
All right, so we are going to take this giant graduated cylinder,
Ooh.
okay? Then
And then put it like this.
inside, we are going to pour some hydrogen peroxide. That's what's in
Can
here.
I hold it so it can be still?
Of course you can. Okay, we're going to put some hydrogen peroxide, which you can use this to actually clean cuts, but we're going to put it inside of the container, about a half a cup. Okay, so here I have a half a cup. All right. And I might actually put a little bit extra, but here's a half
It
a
looks
cup.
like water.
It does look like water. You're right.
Because it's the same. Because it's not the color.
Ah, so is it a solid or a liquid?
A liquid.
It's a liquid. Very good. And it takes the shape of its container. In this case, it's taking the shape of the measuring cup. Carefully pour it to the giant graduated cylinder. Woo!
It's right here.
Very good. It's right there. Okay. Then we're going to take 8 drops of food coloring. I'll let Anna pick.
Can I do it?
Yes, of course you can.
I want to
Which
pick.
color? Purple? Okay, cool. I think that one might be hard, but we can try. So go ahead, drop it in there. About 8 drops. It's okay if you get a couple extra. 1, 2, 3. Keep going. 4, 5. Keep going. 6, 7, 8. Oh, there you go. Good job. Good job, girl. High five. You having fun yet?
Yeah.
Yeah. I love chemistry. Okay, then we're going to add about a tablespoon of dish soap. We're not going to measure this. We're just going to kind of use it. You ready? Go ahead. Add some dish soap. Okay, that's enough.
Oh, it's right here.
Uh-huh. You're right. And then we're going to switch the bottle around. So just kind of pick this up and kind of switch it around. Go ahead. Switch it around. Be careful. Don't spill it. Switch it around. Okay? Now, and it's separate.
Doing
You are. Good job, girl.
it. Looks purpley.
It's definitely purpley.
But Buzz black.
Uh-huh.
Because if you put a lot of purple, it turns black.
That's right. It'll turn darker the more purple we add. All right. In a smaller cup, this one here. Okay. We are going to add
Water.
We are going to add some, no, you're right, water. Hot water. Okay, this one is hot. And we're going to add some yeast.
Ooh.
some yeast. Yeast is something that is used to make bread or to bake with. Also for beer, you know. Moms and daddies might have partaken. Don't do it till you're 21 or older. It's kind of poison for your body. Anyway, but yeast is, it helps bread rise. If you don't put yeast in bread, it'll just come out kind of flat, kind of like a pancake. So we use yeast to be able to make our bread rise. But in this case, we're going to use it to make our elephant toothpaste. Okay? So I'm going to let Autumn put it in the cup. Can you put the cup here so everybody can see? Oh! Well, folks, we had a little bit of a spill. So good thing I had a little extra one right here. Okay? I'm going to let you, Autumn, I want you to try again. Okay? Get it all in the cup, please. Okay? Good job. Alright, I'm going to put the top back on the hydrogen peroxide. You want to make sure you stay safe. The cool thing about hydrogen peroxide is made of two elements, just like water. Hydrogen peroxide is made of hydrogen and oxygen.
Breathe.
Right, and hydrogen peroxide is made of two hydrogen and two oxygen atoms. Each molecule of hydrogen peroxide is made of that. And water is made of two hydrogen and one oxygen. Ooh. All right, cool. So we're going to add this hot water, and I need you, Autumn, please, to take this spoon, and you are going to stir it up and make sure that all of the yeast dissolves, okay? Go ahead, stir it up. It's not like super hot. You'll be fine. Okay?
It smells like...
Kind of waft when you smell?
It smells like cereal.
Smells kind of like cereal?
Yeah.
Yeah, because remember, yeast is something that goes in bread and things that are bread-like, right? Kind of smells a little bit like baby formula.
And it smells like...
You need a little more water? A little bit more? You got to get it all to dissolve. See how you have that chunk? Get it to dissolve. Excuse me. What?
Mommy, put it in your hand.
What does it feel?
Put it in your hand.
What do you observe? It's really warm, huh? That's a good observation. Okay.
Wait,
We have
Mommy.
this tub
Mommy.
because I anticipate making a mess.
Mommy. I feel like it's just...
Can I try?
Yeah.
See. Okay, we got a chunk right here. I'm trying to get it off and kind
What is it? It's like cat food.
of like cat food. I'm gonna touch it because it's okay. In this case, because it's something that you use in baking. Okay.
Oh my god.
And it's not super hot. It's just like warm. Oop, see, look, even I spilled. Okay? It's all right. We'll clean it up. Right?
Yeah, we always clean up.
That's right. Okay. So, we
Because-
did that. Ooh. And now we are going to pour the yeast inside the graduated cylinder. Do you remember what's in here?
Purple color.
Purple food coloring, hydrogen peroxide, and soap. You want to add some bubbles too?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Here, I'll let you do it. Add a little bit. Here. Here, let me bring it closer.
Wait.
Go ahead. Add some bubbles. We like bubbles. Yeah, a little more. A little more. A little more. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Ooh. All right. I think that's good. You ready? It's already made bubbles. Pick it up so everybody can see. Show them. Wait. It's going to go the other way. We're going to pour the yeast inside. You want to add a little bit more hydrogen peroxide? Maybe just a little bit?
Yeah.
A little bit extra. Ooh. All right. Ready?
Yep.
You ready to make our observations? What do you think's going to happen?
I don't know.
You don't know? Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
So you're going to pour this in there and we're going to watch what happens, okay?
Okay.
Go. Careful. Do it fast. Look at it. You want to touch it? Go ahead.
Where's hot?
It's hot? How do you know?
Feel it.
You can feel? Ooh, it is kind of hot. Ooh. Go ahead, touch it. Oh!
It feels
change or a chemical reaction?
Chemical reaction.
Chemical reaction. That's so cool. So
Because that's why because it just blew up.
Oh yeah, it did. It definitely made some bubbles, right? Definitely made some bubbles. That's a good indication that it was a chemical reaction. So cool. Oh, you're gonna play with some bubbles? Oh, all right. Now, we made a mess. Messes are fun.
Oops. I just got some.
On your lab coat? Well, that's what the lab coat is for, right? That was fun. All right, you ready? We're gonna do the next thing. You ready?
Yeah.
Now, get this. All right.
Can I get it out?
But first, I want you to actually draw a drawing. Autumn, can you show us what you would draw?
Yep.
Can you draw? What would you draw?
Up this.
Yeah, if you were to draw your elephant toothpaste.
I know how to draw it.
You want?
I'm gonna get my stool.
You want to get your stool? Okay. What colors would you do? What color you want first?
Just gray.
You want gray? Okay. All right, go ahead.
Because elephants are gray.
Oh, elephants are gray. That's a good point. Can you tell everybody what you're drawing as you do it, please?
Yes.
Okay, good.
This is the ears.
No, not an elephant. Not an actual elephant. What I'm talking about is draw a drawing of what happened. Of this. Of the graduated cylinder. You want to start over? Here. Eraser. Go. All right. Go. Draw the graduated cylinder and draw the bubbles coming out. Kind of like soap, right?
Yeah, it is so.
Okay, it is soap. All right, cool. Excuse me, excuse me. While she's drawing that real quick, I'm going to wipe this up and we're going to make some oobleck. I'm excited. Put this in the trash. Tell everybody what you're drawing.
I'm not done yet. I'm trying to see if it looks good. I'm trying to see it.
All right, you need a color? Oh, good. Good job. Look at you. Look, everybody. She's got her graduated cylinder and then the bubbles coming out. And here's the bin below. Very good. Can I label that?
Yeah.
This is the graduated cylinder.
Draw it. Can I draw the arrow of it?
Yes. Go for it. Excelente. Very good, très bien. This one is the bin. And this one is the
Chemical reaction!
chemical reaction, right? These are the bubbles.
Bubbles!
You did an excellent job, Autumn. Very, very good. High five.
Let's clap.
Oh, you want to clap? Okay, very
Wait,
good.
can we show you that you always play?
Very cool. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so here comes our next experiment. Get down for me. I want everybody to see this real quick. Before we start, we'll talk about the difference between a solid and a liquid. Now, Autumn, can you look on the table and can you tell me something that is a solid and something that is a liquid?
So we have food coloring.
And is food coloring a solid or a liquid?
So,
Inside? Look, if I look inside, are these solids or liquids?
liquid.
It's a liquid, right? It's a liquid. It sloshes around. What else is a liquid on the table? Can you see any other liquids on the table?
This.
Our model. We're going to show you a liquid. Very good. Now, something also is a liquid is, what's this? Water. Very good. All right. Now, what's something that is a solid on the table?
I don't know.
What's something that's a solid? The bowl. The bowl is solid. step down so everyone can see?
Solid.
Very good. And this one is liquid.
Liquid.
Very good. Okay? Now, they both take up space. They both have a volume. And they're both made of molecules, like this. Okay? But in the case of a solid, all the particles are really tightly packed together. They're pushed down. Whereas in the case of a liquid, they're kind of more spread out. See? Can you see the difference? This one is a liquid. It's more spread out. And a solid is more packed to the bottom. Okay? Now, in the case of a solid does not take the shape of its container, but a liquid does. So like this water is in the shape of the cylinder of the container. Okay? But if I pour it on the table, what shape is it now?
Circle.
It's kind of like a circle, kind of.
But it's messed up because of the water.
Right, and because it is water and it's kind of flat, right? Because I just poured it out. But whatever container you put it in, that's the shape that it takes, right? Wipe that out right now. All right, ready?
Yep.
So, the materials that you will need is you will need cornstarch, maizena.
Maizena.
You will need water. Okay, that's Very good. You will need food coloring. That's colorant alimentaire.
Colorant alimentaire.
Colorant
Colorant
alimentaire.
alimentaire.
Très bien. And you'll need a bowl.
And you need a boule.
Boule. Très bien. Très bien. Okay. We also have measuring cups. One more. Boil. All right, ready? Okay. So we've talked about, what is this? Solid.
Solid.
En français, solide.
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 Très bien. And this one's what is this? Liquide. Liquide. Okay, liquid. Très bien. Okay. And when you pour the water, it's called versière. Versière.
It's like vert.
Very good. Kind of like green. You're right. And we are going to make Oobleck, which is called a non-Newtonian fluid. Because we're going to see that sometimes Oobleck is like a liquid and sometimes Oobleck is like a solid. So a non-Newtonian fluid is a fluid that can be both. It can be sometimes liquid and sometimes a solid. Okay, you ready? You ready to make it, Otto? Good. Boom. Okay, now, in each of our cups, you ready? Where's the one cup? Turn around. Turn around. Okay, this one. Now, one cup. You got it? Hold it. Put it. Now we're each going to make one. Go. Cup of water. Wait. Okay. Go ahead, dump it. All right, and then, look. Yeah. Look. We got 1.5 cups cornstarch. Okay? So, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I need the big cup. Okay, don't tip it over until, it's okay. Don't tip it over until it's full. Hold it over the bowl, please. Thank you.
That's not.
Okay, dump it. All of it.
Wait, you remember that you make that pancakes?
Okay, hold this like this. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
It looks like it.
It does kind of look like pancakes. Hold it up. Hold it up over the bowl. And don't flip it over until it's full.
It's in my face.
Sorry.
It's just my glasses.
Sorry. That's it. Yeah, so it's good. They're there to protect you.
So it doesn't get on my eyes.
Okay, tip it over. Okay. All right, now, the half. Hold this. Ready? All right, tip it over. And now this one. This one.
Okay,
All right, tip it over. Ooh, that's a lot. Okay. Very good. Now, food coloring is optional, but we're going to add some food coloring.
I'm going to do one.
You want to do one?
Blue.
You want blue? Okay, I'm going to do some pink. Okay. Now, all you need is like 1 drop.
Okay.
Okay? Because if
And
you
then
use a
we'll
lot,
mix
it's going to dye your hands.
And then we'll mix it.
Ooh, is this the one that's tight?
1.
Oh, man. I'm going to choose green because that one is kind of stuck. All right. Go.
It's going.
There we go. Okay. Now,
Come on.
very good.
Now we're going to mix it.
Now we're going to mix it.
Oh, I'm correct.
Okay, you are correct. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Now, where's that spoon? Here you go.
Can I do one first? Can I do it first?
Yes, you can. Wipe this off. Here you go. Ready? Go. Let me see.
It was hard.
It's hard. Oh, oh my goodness.
It's making slime. It's really hard. Look at everything. Wait, you're just kind of yellow.
Look at that. Wait. Oh my goodness, look. Use your hands.
Oh. It's where I put it. Right here.
Yeah, that's fine. We'll clean it up.
It's like Play-Doh.
It's like Play-Doh, but it's so liquidy. Look. Look.
Watch this.
I think I'm going to add some more cornstarch into mine.
Look.
Let me see. Pick it up. See if you can pick it up.
It's disappearing.
It's like a liquid when you don't move, then it'll fall off. But if I start moving, it feels like a solid. Pick it up. I try and move it really fast. And then I let go.
Stuck.
You're stuck in there like quicksand?
Look, my hands are blue.
Alright, I'm going to try to add some more cornstarch. Let's see what happens.
I want
Just a
more.
little bit more.
Can I get more?
Mm.
I need more. I need more. I want more.
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Let's mix it with our hands.
Mm-hmm. Look. When I mix it, look, I can make it into a ball. You guys see that? But if I let it go, it starts to move back into a liquid. Wait, I can move it fast. Move it fast. And it's a ball, but then I let it go and it turns into a liquid. You saw that, Ellen?
No.
Okay, wait, I'm going to do it fast. Okay, do it fast. Look, it's a ball, right?
Mm-hmm.
Then look, I let it go and it turns into a liquid.
Mine's too.
Let's put that to the side. Oh my goodness. Look. Well, when you guys do this activity at home with the cornstarch and water, I recommend that you do it in a place that you are okay with getting messy. Because as you can see, this table is quite messy, but we are having so much fun.
Look. Watch this. Take some.
Ooh la la. Let me see.
And
Oh,
then- Ew, it
very
feels,
good.
it feels like pancake.
It kind of feels like pancakes. You're right.
I'm gonna put my hands are blue.
All right. Your assignment this week is I would like you to do the following. I want you to make this oobleck. If you don't have food coloring, that's okay.
Yeah,
All right?
you can
And send us a picture or video of your findings.
You can just do it like white.
Mm-hmm.
And you don't have full coloring.
I hope you have a beautiful day. Make good